lot o bethau I ni edrych ymlaen atyn nhw. Lots of things to look forward to. And you're going to look forward to this.
Ymarfer.
Amser, ymarfer Cymraeg. Right, before our next gwestai, which is Jenny Ogwen, the lovely Jenny Ogwen.
Lovely Jenny Ogwen.
Mam ni oll on Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Who better? So what we're going to do is we're going to ask her about all the different jobs she's done, iawn. So she used to be weather lady, actress, model, you name it, she's done it, iawn. Felly,
Wowzers.
we're going to start with this form, okay? O chi'n.
O chi'n.
Okay, so did you used to, iawn? So, or were you? So, it actually comes from the longer version, oeddech chi.
Oeddech chi.
So all we've done is kind of like swallowed a few of the letters.
And that's acceptable.
Okay, absolutely.
That's fine.
In North Wales, we tend to still use like oeddech chi. Whereas in South Wales, very much, o chi.
O chi.
Yeah?
Both are fine.
Both are fine.
Good to know.
Gwych, iawn. Felly, o chi'n joio?
O chi... Fi'n joio, diolch.
Dwi'n gwybod.
I
Dwi'n
do
joio
my great, my lot o hwyl. I learned that years ago. It's one line.
Positive.
I didn't even know what it meant, but that was my answer to everything.
What was it?
I do my great, my lot o hwyl.
Perffaith. Addas iawn.
Had a good time.
Felly, mwynhau is the word, the formal word, to enjoy, but we like joio.
Joio!
It's perfectly acceptable. It has come from the English word to enjoy, but that's what we say.
Fine.
Yeah? Joio.
People know what you're talking about.
Yn union.
That's the point.
So, if we move on, you can rather than did you used to enjoy yourself? Very general.
Yes.
So, did you used to enjoy presenting the weather?
Cyflwyno'r tywydd.
Yeah, perffaith.
Cool.
You've got beautiful accent.
Have I? You've got beautiful eyes.
Symud ymlaen.
Symud ymlaen.
O chi'n joio
O chi'n joio.
cyflwyno'r tywydd.
Cyflwyno'r tywydd. Cyflwyno'r tywydd.
And then she'll either say on nac on.
Okay.
Literally. In Welsh, you know there's this whole thing that there's like a million ways to say yes and no, and it's all so
Tell
difficult.
me about it, yeah.
It's not difficult at all. Just think of it as in, see the clues in the question. O chi, on. Sounds nearly the same, they. So literally, I was or I used to, iawn?
Oh, okay.
So
okay.
rather than thinking of it as yes and no. Just
Fine.
On, nac on. Okay,
On, nac
cool.
on.
And then just stick the word beth at the beginning to make it a more open question. So what? What did you enjoy?
Okay.
Yeah? So you can say, what did you enjoy about acting? What did you enjoy about modelling? Beth o'ch chi'n joio?
That's pretty simple, yeah, that's okay.
Actio.
Okay, beth...
Yeah.
Beth o'ch chi'n joio cyflwyno'r
Whatever. Yeah.
tywydd?
Exactly. Oh, just beth o'ch chi'n joio cyflwyno? What did you used to enjoy presenting?
Okay. Good to know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And because Jenny, we need to show Jenny some respect, iawn? So you know in Welsh you have these ti and chi versions
Oh,
for
yes.
everything.
I always struggle with this.
You're never going to really offend anyone if you use...
I do a lot.
Yeah, well, yeah, but that's for very different reasons.
Very different
Never
reasons.
anything to do with the T's and chi's. Ond, mae'n syml,
Okay.
iawn? Ti, os dych chi'n ffrindiau, if you're friends with somebody and you know them well.
Yeah, I get that.
Or, if they're the same age, that's when you can offend people.
It's the respect and the age thing, isn't it?
Usually if they're a bit older or you don't know them very well,
Yeah.
chi.
Chi. Or a group of people, chi?
Or a group of people.
Okay, that's
or
where I get
even
confused.
two.
What if it's a group of old people? That's
Definitely chi.
Definitely chi. Okay. That happens a lot.
Arferchog. Ond Jenny, parch, respect.
Of course.
Felly chi.
Jenny, chi.
Iawn.
Diolch yn fawr.
Da ni'n barod am Jenny? I know. Let's see dipyn bach o Jenny in action, so to speak.
Absolutely. Tywydd.